This is the first in a series of videos to introduce you to Office 365. Today we'll be looking at Outlook 365. Outlook is available through online access as well as a mobile app. We'll be looking at the mobile app in a future video. The important thing to remember is that no matter how you access your email and calendar, Outlook moves with you. Your data automatically syncs back and forth across all your devices, giving you a consistent experience no matter where, how, or when you access your email and calendar. Outlook 365 does not require the user to download or install any software on their computer. To get to Office 365, go in your address bar, type in login.microsoftonline.com, and it will take you directly to the Office 365 login window. If you forget the address and you need to find it some other way, there's a couple other ways you can do it. You can go to our district website at www.ltps.org. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on Sign In. You're going to log in with your username, first initial, last name, and your password for your email. That'll bring you to the site again where you can click on Staff, and under Staff Services, Office 365 is your first item. Clicking on that will take you to the exact same login screen. If you're really in a bind and you can't figure that out, you just go to type in O365, and that will bring up a Google search, and your first item will be to sign into your account. Clicking on that, again, brings you to the same login window. And the final way, probably the easiest way, is that we have pushed out a shortcut to your desktop, and that will also take you to this window. Okay, so now let's go ahead and log into our Office 365 account. So we will go over to the right-hand side of the screen, and we're going to enter our email, first initial, last name, at ltps.org. When you click on that, it's going to ask you this selection. You're going to click on Work or School Account created by your IT department. At that point, you can then enter your password, same password you've always used for your email, hit Sign In, and it will launch your Office 365 suite with all the tiles of all the apps that are available. You won't have all these apps available to you at first, but you will see things like Mail, Calendar, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, etc. Let's go into Mail. So go click into Mail, and this will launch your Outlook for the first time. And the first thing you'll notice is that all of your emails have been transferred over. All of the folders have been transferred over. Okay. And also in those folders, all of the emails that were in the folders are still in the folders. Also, if you have any rules, say you have a rule that says if you get an email from a certain person, it goes into a specific folder, those rules will transfer over as well.